What are the most common causes of low-voltage LED light flickering?
Hello there. Today, we're going to address a question that many of you have asked us about. Why do low-voltage LED lights sometimes flicker? LED lights are praised for their energy efficiency and longevity, but sometimes they can start to flicker, which can be annoying and troublesome. This flickering is often caused by a few common issues, which we'll explore in this video.
What is LED light flickering?
First off, let's define what we mean by flickering. LED light flickering is when your LED lights rapidly switch on and off at a frequency that can be noticeable to the human eye. It can be caused by a variety of issues, including problems with the power supply, the LED bulb itself, or external factors like dimmer switches or transformers.
What causes LED light flickering?
Now, let's dig into some common causes of LED light flickering. Subsection 2.1. Incompatible dimmer switches. One of the most common causes of LED flickering is the use of incompatible dimmer switches. Dimmer switches that aren't designed for LED lights can't provide the correct current, causing the lights to flicker. If you're experiencing this issue, the solution might be as simple as upgrading your dimmer switch to an LED-compatible model. Subsection 2.2. Poor quality LED lights. The next common cause is the use of poor quality LED lights. Lower quality LEDs often have less effective internal components and drivers, which can lead to flickering. In these cases, upgrading to higher quality LED lights is generally the best solution. Subsection 2.3. Incorrect power supply. Another common issue is an incorrect power supply. Low voltage LEDs require specific power supplies to function properly. If the power supply isn't delivering the correct voltage or is unstable, this can cause your LEDs to flicker. Subsection 2.4. Faulty wiring or connections. Finally, faulty wiring or connections can also cause LED lights to flicker. Loose connections, corroded wires, or even long wire runs can all lead to voltage drops and subsequent flickering. In these cases, it may be necessary to inspect and repair your wiring.
How can you fix LED light flickering?
If you're experiencing flickering with your LED lights, there are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot and solve the issue. 1. Check your dimmer switch. If it's not rated for LED lights, consider replacing it with one that is. 2. Examine the quality of your LED lights. If they're low quality, consider upgrading to higher quality bulbs. 3. Inspect your power supply. If it's not suitable for your LEDs, you may need to replace it. 4. Assess your wiring and connections. If there are any loose connections or corroded wires, you'll need to repair or replace them. There you have it. Those are some of the most common causes of LED light flickering, along with some potential solutions. We hope this information has been helpful in troubleshooting any flickering issues you may be experiencing with your LED lights. As always, if you're not comfortable performing these inspections or repairs yourself, don't hesitate to seek help from a qualified professional. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.